In this video, we're going to discuss the Region Analytics Map Layers category. Here you can learn everything you need to know about a region. The first layer you will see is the Walkability Layer, which allows you to identify neighborhoods which are located within walking distance from businesses, restaurants, and other recreational parts of the town. The Noise Layer allows you to see how freeways, roads, and even flight paths affect noise levels in any given area. Here you can see noise coming from not just roads and freeways, but also airplane flight paths. The Travel Time to Work layer shows the average commute time of workers living in a given location. The Daytime Population layer is very interesting. It shows you where most people go during the day. You can see in these darker regions that we have a much larger daytime population, which means this is where everyone comes to work. This is important to understand if you're not looking to purchase a home in an area that gets extremely busy during the day. Reviewing the Seasonal Population layer, you can quickly identify regions where people go seasonally. Typically it'd be a ski town or a beach town or other vacation or a second home location. Turning on the Elevation layer gives you a quick understanding of just that. Elevation levels in any given area. Here you can quickly identify regional pockets of hills and flatland. If you want a home in the hills with a view but you're not familiar with an area, just turn this layer on and here you go. A Rainfall layer gives an understanding of how much rain or snowfall a region sees a year. Explore your own area and see how this rainfall fluctuates just a few miles apart. Weather can change drastically even in nearby locations, and the San Francisco Bay Area is notorious for microclimate. With our temperature analytics layer, you can clearly see that just 50 miles away east of San Francisco, we have temperatures that are much higher. When you have this layer on, you can analyze summer months and winter month temperatures. Worried about safety? The Crime Index layer gives you a clear view of crime activity in any given area. With our Land Use Analytics layer, you can quickly view zoning codes throughout any region. Our Property Density layer allows you to identify congested regions versus ones with homes spread further apart. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the rest of the TopHap Academy training videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news and product updates.